Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make these Christmas pudding cookies. These are super easy and I'll show you how they're made in a couple steps. So start off with, you'll need softened vegan butter, some caster sugar and brown sugar, and cream this together to form a thick paste like you can see here, till everything's incorporated. The measurements and recipe can be found in the description box below. Then add in plain flour, a pinch of salt, baking powder, cocoa powder, and mix your dry ingredients together into your butter and sugar mix. Use a spatula to combine this together. However, your mixture will be quite dry, so what we're going to do next is add 1 to 2 tablespoons of any plant milk. I'm using soy milk, and you can add this slowly and incorporate it into your mix till you reach a right consistency where you have a dough mixture which is slightly sticky but not too firm. Once you've kneaded this together, you're going to make these into 8 separate balls to make our cookies. Now what I do sometimes is I make like a cube shape with my dough and then cut that in half and then into 4 pieces. So this makes 8 roughly even sized pieces for my doughs rather than just doing it by sight. And roll these, flatten them down a tiny bit, they're all spread in the oven, and let them bake for around 10 to 12 minutes and let them set. So now what you're going to need is, I've used some sprinkles for my berries and holly leaves, so I'm using a reindeer cheer sprinkle mix from Tesco, and I've hand picked out the desired sprinkles, and I've melted some vegan white chocolate that I'm spreading on to the top half of each of my cookies, just simply with a spoon. Alternatively, you can dip your cookies into the white chocolate instead. I'm adding 3 red sprinkles and 2 of these leaves, and then letting my cookies set so the chocolate is hardened. And that's it, that's everything you need to make these Christmassy chocolate cookies. You can add chocolate chips into the batter as well if you'd like, or even add some peppermint extract to your dough as well. Thank you so much for watching, and Merry Christmas.